Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix session expired error which occur on Facebook. Like if I refresh Facebook and there occurs an error which is a session expired. If you want to solve this error, you have to follow the methods described in this video. First of all, you have to open your Android settings or iPhone settings. After that, you have to go to your apps. In apps, you have to search for Facebook. After searching Facebook, you have to click on Facebook. If you click on Facebook, then here you will find storage option. If you click on storage, then you have to click on clear cache so that your app can be offload. In iPhone, this option will be available as offload app, which means you have to clear all your cache and offload your Facebook app so that it can run smoothly. After that, you can again check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem occurs again, then there is also another method, which is as you have to click on three lines. After three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. After settings and privacy, you have to click on settings. In settings and privacy, you have to click on you have to search for option password and security. You can easily find password and security in third number on your settings. If you click on password and security, then here you will find where you are logging. You have to click on see all so that you can see all your login session you have done on Facebook. What you have to do is you have to log out all of your sessions on your Facebook so that this can clear all your logout sessions. In this way you can easily solve this problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.